everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jess and the crew, and if you're new here, I'm Jessica. If you haven't been following around, we just introduced a new furry friend to our family. You're gonna wanna check out those videos. I'm going to link them up above and down below because it was a surprise puppy, and the look on Mike's face and the look on the kid's face is priceless, and you're gonna wanna see that. But we've been debating and talking and bribing each other to name this dog. I also have a video of dog names that we love but didn't use. So I'm gonna link that up above. Maybe inspire you guys for your own dog's name. Maybe give you some inspiration, but today we are revealing the name that we chose. So this little guy has been a part. He's camera shy. This little guy has been a part of our family for the last couple of weeks, and he's a handful, and he's super cute, but we need to name him. So here is a montage of our puppy's first couple of days, and you finally get to know what we named him. We love it. I'm hoping you guys will too. And comment down below because I want to know your dog's names. And I want to know if maybe you chose the same name we did.